Hi friends, welcome back. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. Today we're going to make delicious popsicles I don't want you to miss out on. For this recipe, you will need a blender, 2 cups of your favorite summer fruits. I'm using strawberries and blueberries, 1 cup of Greek vanilla yogurt, some honey, an ice pop maker, or a cupcake tin if you don't have one of these. First, you will blend your berries together. Next, you will mix your yogurt with honey. Layer your berries and yogurt in the popsicle mold. You can also use a cupcake pan and popsicle sticks to make your popsicles. Mix the berries with the yogurt, top with aluminum foil, and insert the sticks so they don't slide off. Freeze your popsicles for at least 4 hours. When your popsicles are ready, run them under warm water for about 30 seconds until they easily come out of the mold. Enjoy! See you next Friday!